Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by turning the ignition to accessory, then hold the power button on the sync unit for 10 seconds to force a soft reset. If the display freezes, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 minutes to reboot vehicle electronics safely. This clears many temporary faults without erasing settings. Confirm the phone Bluetooth is off, then on, and forget the vehicle before attempting a fresh pairing. After reboot, power sync, enable Bluetooth on the phone, and initiate pairing using the displayed PIN or passkey. Download the correct sync update to a USB drive and install with the vehicle running for 30 minutes if required. Use a FAT32 or XFAT formatted drive and remove other files. On your phone, clear Bluetooth cache, then ensure contacts and media permissions are granted before pairing. This prevents missing call or audio functions. Ensure the USB drive contains only the update files and is formatted as FAT32 or XFAT before insertion. And keep the engine or accessory power on during the entire update to avoid corruption. Check interior fuse F24 or F87 depending on year, replacing a blown 10A or 15A fuse as specified in the manual. Consult the owner's fuse diagram for your Fiesta year. If problems persist, try a factory sync master reset using Settings System Master Reset, which erases paired devices and returns software to default. Repair phones afterward. A failed Bluetooth module or antenna cable may require dealer diagnostics or replacing the module under the rear dash. If you locate corrosion or a disconnected antenna plug, secure or replace that part.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.